Hey everyone, if you're seeing the error failed to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126 on Windows 11, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, we're going to run a few PowerShell commands and then reinstall the gaming services from the Microsoft Store. Click on the Start menu, type PowerShell, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell opens, copy and paste the following 3 commands one by one. I've added all the commands in the video description. You can copy them directly from there. Just press Enter after each command. After running the 3rd command, the Microsoft Store will automatically open to the Gaming Services page. Simply click Get or Install to reinstall it. That's it. Your xgameruntime.dll error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Windows fixes.